Hi there, I'm Anatoly from SEM Drive. Nobody loves wasting money, right? But we are all doing it by filling up our cars. Let me tell you how to save lots of money. As an alternative, you might think to buy EV or hybrid or install the LPG system. But even used electric car or plug-in hybrid will cost you more than 10,000 euros. And LPG can destroy your car engine. This is where SEM Drive comes in. We can transform any car into plug-in hybrid. We're taking your existing car and install electric motor, batteries and power and control system, and don't touch any of your mother component. This way you have new possibility and opportunity to use electricity for an efficient driving. Let's take a look at the numbers. A common driver will save more than 160 euro per month and per every 1,000 kilometers, which means that he will save more than 1,900 euros per year. It is a much better idea to spend your money on your own needs rather than on fuel, right? The countries with the high fuel prices and big amount of after-warranty cars is our total addressable market. According to statistics, there are 45 million cars sold on aftermarket per year. According to our market research, there is 10% of those car owners who are interested in our system, which means that our served available market is more than 18 billion euros per year. For now, we have completed the pre-seed round, and we have got 80 pre-orders from all of the segments, B2C, B2B and B2G. We're looking to raise 300,000 euro, which will give us a 12 months runway and product development and European market expansion. Our Rockstar team consists of 3 members with an engineering and business background, which make us a perfect match for market change. And now we have got the 2 mentoring of 2 big international accelerators, and we have got 2 partnerships with electric drive components manufacturers. Ferdinand Porsche once said, I couldn't find the car of my dream, so I built it myself, and we can build the car of your dream. SEM Drive, drive the future.